students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Let us learn an English poem from Standard 3rd textbook, and title of the poem is Baby's Dress. Yes, dear children, this poem belongs to a mother and its lovely baby. You know that the baby is everything for its mother. It is the life of its mother. Here, in this poem, the poet describes how the mother blesses her child by dressing it in different ways, and also how she finds different colors from the beautiful and happy nature. Come on children, let us proceed to the poem. Baby's Dress. This is 28th poem in your textbook. Okay? And see, this is your textbook page number 62 and 63. Okay? Yes, dear children, here we can see small stanzas. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stanzas are there. Right? First stanza is of only 2 lines and rest all of 3 lines. Very simple poem, easy poem. Okay, we will go through this. First we will try to read this poem. Then we will go through in detail. Okay. Baby's dress. You know the meaning of baby and you know the meaning of dress. Correct? Baby's dress. Baby, baby, bless her. How shall mommy dress her? The summer cloud is not too proud to find the soft wool to dress her. The blue bell is a true bell and will find blue to dress her. The cherry tree is a merry tree and will find the pink to dress her. The lily bright will find the white, the beautiful white to dress her. The leaves in the wood are sweet and good and will find the green to dress her. The honeysuckle with buds for buckle will make girdle to dress her. The heavens hold both silver and gold in the stars and they will dress her. Yes, this poem is written by W.B. Rands. He is the poet of this beautiful and lovely poem. Okay, dear children, now we will go through by each stanza. Baby's dress. Yes, dear children, here the mother dresses her baby and in beautiful way. Okay, we will go through. Baby, baby, bless her. How shall mommy dress her? Now we will see how she means mother blesses her child by dressing her in different way. The baby is ready to dress. The summer cloud is not too proud to find the soft wool to dress her. Here, dear children, see here this is summer cloud. How it looks like? It looks like cotton. wool, isn't it? Very soft. It is bright and light, isn't it? Yes, mother finds soft wool to dress her. See, by this she finds soft wool to dress her baby. You have to compare these two, okay? The summer cloud is not too proud to find the soft wool to dress her. Here you can see a baby in blue dress. The bluebell is a true bell and will find blue to dress her. See here, bluebell. These are the flowers. Okay, blue in color and they look like bell, isn't it? They are rich in pollens and nectar. They are very tiny. Yes, dear children, this mother finds blue to dress her. Means here the baby in blue colored dress. How she matches the blue color along with the beautiful flowers in the nature. Next is, see this baby in pink, isn't it? The cherry tree is a merry tree and will find the pink to dress her. You can see here the cherry tree is a merry tree. Merry means happy tree. You can see here the flowers, pink in color. So beautiful, isn't it? By this, she found pink to dress her. Next is white, isn't it? The lily bright will find the white, the beautiful white to dress her. See, these are called lily flowers. They are white in color. They are bright, isn't it? Beautiful white color you can see on the lily flower. Because of this, she found a beautiful white dress to dress her baby. The lily bright will find the white, the beautiful white to dress her. White means here clean, peace, isn't it? Now, the leaves in the wood are sweet and good and will find the green to dress her. Green color means prosperity, isn't it? Here, the leaves in the wood are sweet and good, healthy. Green indicates health, prosperity, isn't it? So, from this, she find the green to dress her. The honeysuckle with buds for buckle will make girdle to dress her. This is a flower, honeysuckle. Okay, with buds for buckle will make girdle to dress her. Here, this protects the body. This covers the body. Here, the girdle means you can say a belt-like structure which protects our body. Okay, the honeysuckle with buds for buckle will make girdle to dress her. Here, mother wants to protect her baby or to cover her baby. Yes, here, so that it is said that will make girdle to dress her. Now, see here, the heavens hold both silver and gold in the stars and they will dress her. Here she dresses her with gold and silver color. Like this, here in this poem, the poet, that is W.B. Rands, wants to say that the mother protects her baby and she blesses her baby in a different way with her pure heart. Okay, she is always for her baby. Now dear children, we will move to the exercise part. Here rhyming words from the poem. Just now we gone through the poem. This poem has so many rhyming pairs. Okay? Yes, we will list them here. First one, bless. Yes, this is in the first stanza. Bless. You can find out. Open your book, page number 62. Yes, come on, tell me. Bless rhymes with dress. Very good. Now we will move to first stanza. Yes, can you find any rhyming words? Yes, you are right. Cloud rhymes with proud, isn't it? Correct. Now we'll move to third stanza. The bluebell is a true bell. Yes, here blue rhymes with true. Right? Nice. Move to fourth stanza. The cherry tree is a merry tree. Yes, very good. Here also cherry rhymes with merry. Correct? Now we will move to next stanza. The lily bright will find the white. Bright white. Isn't it? Okay, next one. The leaves in the wood are sweet and good. Correct. Wood rhymes with good. Nice. The next one. The honeysuckle with buds for a buckle. Very good. Honeysuckle and buckle. Isn't it? They rhymes with each other. Last one. The heavens hold both silver and gold. Yes, very good. Gold rhymes with gold. Nice. You can mark this in your textbook with the help of the pencil. Okay. Which flowers are mentioned in this poem? Yes, here so many flowers are mentioned. We have to list them here. Here we will go through. First one. The flowers mentioned in this poem are bluebell. See, this is a bluebell flower, okay? Blue in color, tiny flower, rich in pollens and nectar. See this? From downside, it looks like this. The structure is like a bell, isn't it? So it is called as bluebell because its color is blue and structure is like a bell. So it is called as bluebell. Okay. Next thing is lily. See, these are lily flowers. They are white in color. Nice fragrance they have. They are also small, tiny flowers. Honeysuckle. See, these are honeysuckle flowers. Okay. Choose the words that describe a baby's dress well. Yes, dear children, here in your textbook, there are some words given. Okay, see these words. Here we have to go through all these words and we have to choose the words that describe a baby's dress well. Okay, now we will go through each word once and we will try to understand the meaning of these words so that we can choose the words properly. Okay, number 1, bright. Bright means white, make them bright. Okay, hard. Hard, the meaning is kadak, right? Dull. Dull means, not bright, isn't it? Dull hai, dress dull hai. Beautiful, you know the meaning of beautiful, बहुत सुंदर, बढ़िया. Stiff, again here stiff means kadak, rigid. Okay, soft means here soft, you know that, right? Tight, tight means here firm. Then colorless, no color, colorless means no color. Warm, okay, warm. Then cold, then it is rough, you know the meaning, right? Pretty, sundar. Then smooth, colorful, colorful means बहुत सारे color. Light, correct? Heavy, वजनदार, heavy. Tiny, tiny means small. Okay, we know the meaning of all these words now. We will circle and we will show that these circled words, they describe the baby's dress. Okay, first one, bright. Yes, this tells the baby's dress. Correct? Bright. Hard? No. Dull? No. Beautiful? Yes. Then stiff? No. Soft? Yes. Tight? Colorless? Warm? Yes. Woolen gives warmth. Right? Cold? No. Rough? Never. Pretty? Yes. The baby's dresses are pretty. Smooth. Colorful. Right? Light. Heavy? No. Okay. This is not the proper word. Tiny. Yes. Baby's dresses are tiny. They are small, pretty and beautiful. Isn't it? Yes, dear children. Yes, these words, they show or they describe the baby's dress well. Isn't it? Now, we will move further. Where do you find the following colors in nature? Yes, we have so many colors in nature. We can see so many colors, correct? There are red, blue, white, yellow, orange, green, purple, violet, so many colors you can see in the nature. But here some colors are given. We have to find what all we get, what all we see, that colored, but here we have to tell what all we can see in the nature of that color. First one is white. Yes, dear children, we can see white colored flowers, fruits, cotton, correct? Clouds we can see, summer clouds, they are white in color, animals, etc. Okay, we will see here through the picture. See, these are swans, animals, correct? They are birds. Yes, see this summer cloud, white in color. See, these are shells, white colored rose. This is cotton, white tiger, correct? And white horse. Means here we can see different flowers, fruits, cotton, clouds, animals in white color. And so many more we can add to the list. Right? Second one is blue color. Here also we can get flowers, fruits, clouds, animals, etc. We will go through from the picture. See, beautiful butterfly, blue butterfly. This is mushroom, right? Blue colored mushroom. Blue sky. Blue flowers. Blue bird. Blue frog. Blue fish. Isn't it? All these we can found in nature in blue color. Isn't it? Here we can see blue gems too. Third one is golden color. Here we can see here sun, flowers, leaves, gold, insects, etc. in golden color in our nature. We will go through the pictures. Please observe these pictures. These have flowers, morning sun, here gold ornaments, insects and scenery. These all we can see in golden color. Isn't it? Yes, dear children. Two more colors are mentioned in the textbook. Okay, that is silver and pink. And here you have that work to find out the different things that we can get in silver color and in pink color. You can make the list like this. Okay. Thank you very much, children. And dear children, try to learn this poem because this poem is very simple, very easy and beautiful too. Isn't it? So try to learn. You will get fun. Okay? Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.